afternoon. This is Eggy the guy from London. We're here in Las Casas de Acusar in Bataan in the Philippines, which is 400 hectares of Philippine history. Very nice houses and heritage around here. We'll tour you. The gang are enjoying now there, so stay for a while and welcome to Las Casas de Acusar. Hope you're having a good time. Hi, morning. This is Eggy the guy from London. Yeah, we're now here in breakfast. It's 8 o'clock, but it seems there are many people now. So we'll tour you around what are those breakfasts. Let's see. Oh, this best favorite with longanisa. Alright. There. Let's not get coffee. Get some pandesal and scrambled egg and coffee. Then get some waffle. So let's take. Then going on. Thank you. Alright. Yo, longanisa, egg, banana, avocado, puto, sapin-sapin, pichi-pichi, ate. Good. And this all fine now, puto, sapin-sapin, pichi-pichi, mani, egg, pandesal, and we have some butter here and coffee. Let's eat now. Bon appetit.
Yummy.
Nice, really picky. Sorry, you get it here.
Yummy.
Good. And we put the egg. Let's try. Try some fruits. Yep. Papaya and banana, iced tea and watermelon juice, coffee. Papaya. Very nice. Hello, we came to the end of our vlog and thank you for watching. This is Eggy the guy from London. See you.